Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait to share this story with you today. So bear with me and hang in there because this is really, really cool. So, anybody who knows me or anybody who watches my social media knows how much I love North Branford. And you know the reason why, right? I always share the why. It's because of the people. It's the business owners, it's the residents, it's the children, all that make up this amazing community. Well, today I'm going to show you the how, the how I know this community so well. So this is all going to tie back into my open house today, which is at 31 Dogwood Road in North Branford. So hang in there, and it's at the end. I'm telling you, this is a really cool story. So in this video, I'm going to bring you back in time, back to 1967. Now, I wasn't alive in 1967, shortly after. However, my parents were. So what's that have to do with me being so happy today? Well, let me show you one little tidbit as to why. I'm going to turn the camera around to show you. That's it. This is the house that I grew up in. I was here since 1969 to 1995. This is it. It looked a little bit different back then. As a matter of fact, I could show you exactly what it looked like in 1967. Check it out. This is the original listing in 1967. Isn't that so cool? Notice you won't see the garage. My parents added it sometime in the 70s. I'm not exactly sure when. Here's the listing details. Check out that price. Okay, so my bedroom was the one to the left, and my brother's was the one to the right. So for 26 years, this is where I lived my life. This is where the Dubinsky Playhouse took place, right there in this garage. So the garage door was the curtain, and all the seats were lined up right up through the driveway. Take a look. You thought I was joking, right? Nope. My mom put this together for all the kids in the neighborhood. Here's a little closer look. This is the brochure she created to hand out to all the attendees. My brother was only 3, so he didn't get a part, but I was 6 and was assigned to the refreshment stand. Oh, and here's me, sunning on the front porch. I'm not sure when this was taken, but I sure was enjoying life soaking in that sun. Looks a little bit different now. And over here, we have the Regans. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Regan. This is me and Mrs. Regan today. The Swartzes. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Swartz. And here is me and Mr. and Mrs. Swartz today. Oh, and who's that other guy? That's the new owner of my house. And yes, I still call it my house. There we go. The hotel's. Hey, Larry, what's up? Me and Larry today. He used to run all the time around the neighborhood. Now he walks, rumor has it. And the Luddies. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Luddy. So they live right across the street. Boy, have they seen a lot. Yeah. Now, of course, I did go to visit the Luddies, and I was fortunate to spend some time with them, but I did not get a shot. However, I did get the next best thing, their daughter, Donna. Love you, my friend. Okay, so why or how does this all relate to my open house on 31 Dogwood Drive in North Branford? Well, this is the part. Now hang in there because I'm telling you, there's more. This is pretty cool. So I grew up with the daughter of the former owners, and we were good friends back in grammar school. So every day, a couple times a day sometimes, I'd walk to their house. And we had our Girl Scout meetings in her basement. So come take a walk with me. And I'm going to show you how close we are to her house, okay? I haven't done this walk since, let's just say early 80s. Come on, let's take a walk. I'm going to turn my camera around. My mom loved that mailbox. I remember the day it was installed, just like it was yesterday. Such a beautiful day, and I am so enjoying this walk. Honestly, not much has changed. There's not as many trees. However, it pretty much looks the same outside of that. Okay, so right around this bend, and we are just about approaching 31 Dogwood Road. Oh, and there it is. This is where, this is the house. This is it. 31 Dogwood Road and North Branford. Here we are. See how quick that is? I rode my bike here. I rollerbladed here. Pogo stick. Yep. All the way over. Not that far. Walked many times. This is the spot right here. And this is my open house today. Is that pretty cool? So this is when I say that I know North Branford. I not only know North Branford, but I know the community. I know the neighborhood. And I know this house very, very well. Is that cool or what? And remember, if you have any questions regarding North Branford or any of the surrounding areas, this is where I grew up, I know it well, give me a ring because I'd love to talk real estate with you. I'm Coastal Kim, and I'm living the shoreline dream.